Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack files into RAR or zip files on your ZTE Blade A31 using app called RAR. So in order to do that, first of all we'll need to find the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM, camera, and from here there's two photos which I'm gonna pack. So select the files that you want to pack with right here with the switch, and then press on this plus button. Now we can start customizing our RAR file, and the first thing is to change its name. So let's pick the name, it's gonna be pictures. You can set the password for this RAR or zip file, so let's say set password, then write the password. For me it's 123. If you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, you can show the password. The next thing is to encrypt the file names. So let me just use settings like that and then press OK. From here you can also change the extension into RAR zip or RAR 4.x. You can delete the files after archive or create solid archive. If we move to advanced, there's more options, and in the options there's even more options. And here there's the comments. You can leave any comment about your RAR or zip file. So let's just say that our file is ready. You can customize it your way, however you want, and after doing so, press OK in order to create the file. And as you can see, pictures.rar is created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.